Today, we're installing a Loock V5 MAX smart door lock for a customer in Adelaide's northern suburbs. The V5 MAX is a very reliable and well-developed smart lock. We've already installed it for hundreds of families across Australia. It supports up to 10 different unlocking methods, including palm vein recognition, 3D facial recognition, fingerprint, PIN code, one-time passcodes, app and Bluetooth unlocking, and a mechanical key. We offer a full 2-year local warranty here in Adelaide for your peace of mind. Now we're installing the lock body. With the indoor deadlock knob engaged, the door cannot be opened from the outside under any circumstances. It comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, both charged via Type-C. If one runs out, the other keeps the lock working. Very convenient.
Please open the Mi Home Xiaomi Home app and have a login.
The V5 MAX comes with a built-in door camera, so you can monitor your front door in real time from your phone. No need to buy a separate doorbell.
Please open the Mi.
We've also got auto-locking, door ajar alerts, a child lock mode, and anti-tamper security built into the system.
Please open the Mi. Please open the Mi Home.
Let's test the lock. We'll try opening it with palm vein recognition. It's pretty quick, right? Just lift your hand and the door unlocks. You can also choose face recognition, which is even faster. We'll clean up everything once we're done. Apart from your brand new lock, you won't even notice we were here.